What are you eating, you guys?
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows? In what?
And cereals.
In your cereal? There's marshmallows?
Cereals.
Wow.
Cereals.
Yeah. Where are we going today?
The zoo.
The zoo? Ryan, what are we going to see at the zoo?
Elephants.
Ryan, what are we going to see at the zoo?
Elephants.
Evidence? Elephants? What other animals?
Elephants.
Oh, can you say hi to Dad and tell him you love him? We're going to send this movie to him. We're going to go see Horton. Wave and tell Dad you love him. And you don't have anything to say to Daddy?
Yes, I do.
Let's send him a message then. What do you want to say to him? Here, we'll go to you first. What do you want to say to Dad?
I love you and I miss you.
Chunky Man, anything you want to say to Daddy? Say love you, love you.
Love you.
Do you miss him? Yeah. But we're having fun? Going on adventures? What are we going to go see today?
A ticket.
Oh, boy. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.